Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. You will never throw away avocado seeds after watching this. Hi friends, the goal of today's video is to present the surprising health benefits of avocado seeds so that you will stop and think again before you throw them away the next time you eat avocados. In fact, you may be shocked to learn that the seeds of avocado are actually the healthiest part of it. Health benefits. The seeds of avocado are abundant in crucial nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Namely, they can provide the body with more soluble fiber than any other food. Moreover, they contain more antioxidants than the fruity flesh of the avocado, as well as most other fruits, veggies, and healing teas. And this was just the beginning. Watch on more and find out what avocado seeds can do for your health and well-being. Number 1. It has been found that avocado seeds reduce the inflammatory process within the body. They are especially good at reducing swelling located in the gastrointestinal tract. Number 2. As soon as you feel the first symptoms of a cold or the flu, be sure to eat avocado seeds throughout the day. They strengthen your immune system, so they will protect you from getting ill. Number 3. Avocado seeds contain numerous antioxidants and they help decrease bone diseases, but they can also relieve joint and body aches and pains naturally. Moreover, they provide energy to the body. Number 4. Avocado seeds can be used to lower your blood glucose levels and help you maintain a healthy weight. They make you feel fuller and make you stop snacking throughout the day. They are also said to be able to decrease the occurrence of exercise-induced asthma. Number 5. It is a fact that only 30% of the antioxidants contained in an avocado are in the flesh and skin, and the other 70% can only be found in the seed. Avocado seeds contain nourishing oil that is filled with antioxidants which are able to prevent a number of heart conditions, including strokes and heart disease, and they also decrease cholesterol levels. Number 6. Avocado seeds can be used to stop diarrhea, and on the other hand, they also relieve and prevent constipation. Number 7. Avocado seeds contain flavanol, an antioxidant that has been shown to decrease or prevent tumor growth. If you believe you may have a tumor, you should immediately seek treatment from a medical professional. However, it is also a good idea to include plenty of flavanol-rich foods such as avocado seeds in your daily diet. Number 8. Due to the phenolic compound they contain, which are types of antioxidants with antibacterial and antiviral properties, avocado seeds are also beneficial in case of gastric ulcers. A number of individuals suffering from gastric ulcers report that avocado seeds help soothe and relieve their discomfort. Furthermore, these superb seeds can even stop ulcers from forming within the digestive system's lining. Number 9. Avocado seeds can also help improve your appearance and keep you looking more youthful. The antioxidants they contain reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots, while helping to rebuild the collagen in your skin that keeps it looking youthful and firm. Moreover, they are able to fight free radical cells that are responsible for illnesses and the signs of aging. You should open an avocado and remove the seed. Put the seed in a plastic bag, crush it up with a hammer, throw the pieces into a blender and turn it into a fine paste. You can prepare smoothies or simply sprinkle this paste onto your meal. Thus you will be able to enjoy all their benefits. To get all the health benefits of this true superfood, I will give you a simple avocado seed smoothie recipe also. Ingredients: half of an avocado seed, half of an avocado, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 pear, ripened, cored and chopped, half of an apple, ripened, cored and chopped, 1 cup of fresh organic raw spinach. Instructions: simply blend all of these ingredients in a high-power blender. Add a couple of ice cubes or chunks of frozen fruit such as mango, melon mix or berry, and enjoy. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.